Every cigarette begins its journey far from the factory floor.
Only mature leaves are chosen for consistency.
Precision starts at the very first cut.
Handling determines quality long before machines take over. Harvested leaves move quickly to avoid degradation.
Time is critical once the leaf is cut.
Fresh tobacco must be stabilized immediately.
Curing prepares the leaf for long-term processing.
Airflow and spacing define the curing outcome. Nature and engineering work together here. Moisture must be reduced without damaging structure.
Every variable is carefully balanced.
Texture tells the true story.
The leaf is now ready for industrial life. Post-curing handling preserves quality. Protection begins before transport. Protection begins before transport.
From field to factory, logistics begins.
The factory journey has officially begun.
Cured leaves now begin their industrial transfer. Alignment ensures speed and safety.
Every transfer is tightly controlled.
Volume demands perfect placement.
Balance protects product integrity.
Movement must be eliminated. Sealing prevents contamination.
Every batch is digitally tracked.
Transport timing is critical.
The factory awaits its raw material.
Scale requires continuous flow.
One of the most regulated facilities on Earth.
Control begins before entry.
Inbound weight confirms shipment accuracy.
Everything moves with purpose here.
The handoff is complete.
Transcription. Processing is moments away.
Raw leaves enter the production line. Inside the factory, timing becomes mechanical.
Protection ends where processing begins. Bulk handling prepares for precision. Uniform feed prevents downstream imbalance.
Scale defines modern cigarette production.
This is where volume meets control.
Human access is as regulated as machines. Thousands of components work as one.
Environment control is constant.
Not all leaves are equal.
Human judgment still matters. Cleanliness protects machinery and product.
Processing moves vertically as well as forward.
Isolation prevents contamination.
Flow is buffered, never stopped. The next stage is seconds away. Machines prepare to refine. Raw material meets its first transformation.
Cleaning begins without damaging the leaf.
Unwanted particles are removed instantly. Foreign objects never reach the core line.
Physics refines what machines cannot see.
Only usable material moves forward.
Moisture defines processing behavior.
Uniformity prevents mechanical stress.
Flexibility is restored before cutting. Clean air protects both product and people.
Consistency begins long before rolling. Here, raw leaves become a precise smoking blend.
Thousands of cigarettes are formed every minute.
Precision defines every single unit. Speed meets accuracy at the packaging line. Only approved products move forward.